So here, the next family here is what? Is the what? The chicken family. The chicken family. So I know that some of you will be wondering why is it called the chicken family. Now, if you look at come close. If you look at this alphabet that is coming next, if you look at this here, see, this is the next alphabet here. If you look at it very well in your book, look at it very well. You can see that this alphabet that comes next, the next family, 1, 2, 3, they look alike. So these are the look. Now, if you now look at this alphabet very well, let's bring it down here and let's analyze why it is called chicken family, so you don't forget. This is it. This is it here. So if not that, if you look at it very well, for us not to be biased, you understand, let's look at it. You can even see from the resemblance, they look like the chicken. So you know some family, if you see that, this is Mr. Muhammad's child now. No, anytime you see this child, you know this is if you look at him, you know that it looks like Mr. Muhammad, you know. Same thing here. So if you cycle this one here, this one here, can't you see that this one that is left looks like the head of a chicken? Can't you see? This one, if we bring it out here, this one, we fast forward to bringing it out here. Can't you see that this looks like the head of a chicken? All what is left for us here to do is just to put this dot here. And now put this shoe. Does this look like a chicken or not? So that's why it is called the chicken family. Hope you are getting the gist. That's good. So now we have Jim. The first one of the chicken family is what? Is Jim, which has 1 dot under. This is what? Jim. You can see this one here. It's still the same thing, Jim. So this one is called Jim. Now for this Jim, it has its own dot under. Now the next one is called Ha. You know when you run and you start to pant. That is what we call this one. That's why you listen to those that knows how to recite the Quran and they are trying to recite the Quran. You see that Alhamdulillah, as if what they Alhamdulillah. You know when you run and you're panting, it's like it's bringing what calmness to the body. The same thing. Oh, all praises belong to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Oh, you guys, are you guys getting the gist? Hope you're following me. That's good. So here we have Ha, and here we have Kha. The next one, which is what? Is Kha. It is spelled K-H-A in English, but then there are certain words. Some people pronounce this as Ka, and that is wrong. Example of this is when you say Khadija. Khadija, and this is wrong because this is Khoya Khadija, and this is what? This is wrong. Instead of this, they'll say Afwan, sorry, Khadija is correct. I want to say Khadija. Some people pronounce Khadija just because I'm used to the correct pronunciation. That's what the issue is. So some people pronounce it as Khadija, and what? This is wrong, Khadija, and this is what? Absolutely wrong. It's not Khadija. This is what? Khadija. No, the spelling is right. I'm just talking about the pronunciation. Please don't get me wrong. So the correct pronunciation for this is what? Khadija. So you can't say Khadija. Even some people go to the length of spoiling the name more than this. You understand? So, but the correct pronunciation for that is what? Khadija. This one is what? Kha. And Kha is part of the alphabet of the throat. It comes what? From the throat, the upper part of the throat here. Kha. You can see Kha. Now. So we have Jim. Now let's come back to how we identify this alphabet. As you all know, we have to know how to identify each and every family and where they are coming from and their family background, family problem, family peculiarity, and what they do and what they don't do. Now let's dive into their family problem and let's analyze it. So here we have Jim. Now for Jim here, pay attention. You can see it has one dot under. Now the second born has no dot, and the third born has dot above it. Now if you look at it in some family, in some family, some people are what are slim, some are fat, some are some are tall, some are short. So if you look at this Jim here now, the Jim now is one of those that would love to build. Though you can see they are from the same chicken family, but when you say this one, because this one is the firstborn and loves what to go to the gym, you understand? But since this one loves gym, let's just give him gym, and understand that kind of thing. Now since he loves gym, so anytime you see this firstborn here that has dots here, just this one that used to go to gym, Jerry, you understand? You know that goes, if you see the firstborn of let's say Abdurrahman, now you say, oh yeah, this is Mr. Abdurrahman's firstborn. That guy, he loves to go to gym. So now what? That's gym. The one that loves to visit the gym. So that is alphabet gym. Understand? So now the next one, what is ha? Ha is what an athlete that goes to like the track feed and everything. And because anytime he's coming back from even from the practice and everything, if he's returning back home, he jogs, jogs back home, and when he gets home, he's what he says, he sits and so that is where its own name came from, and it was okay. This one is you understand now? That's the vibe. That's their storyline. That was what gave them that name. You understand? So here we have ho. Now for ho, that's just like if you see the ho, it's kind of a bit stressful. Ho. Understand? Because this is complex actually for some people, and if you are not getting it, please don't stress yourself much. Ho is something that, like as the saying goes, Rome was not built in a day. You understand? So it's a gradual process. You can't compare your pronunciation with my own pronunciation. That is totally wrong to do. You can only work towards achieving something like mine or better than. In fact, I would say better than mine. You understand? So, but then don't say you want to just say, okay, wow, you started today, you want to be like, oh no, that's not done in the field of learning. There is room for growth. You grow gradually. As I myself, I did not just get to this point one day. Understand? It took years of work. With the blessing of Allah upon our little effort. Now, so we have Kho here, Kho, which is what the last member of the chicken family. And as you can see, Kho is somebody that is has stress and likes wahala and everything. Kho. That's why I end the name Kho. And they started, okay, this one loves the gym. This one goes to for athletic activities and everything. And this one is Kho. Understand? So that is how we came about the word, the chicken family, and their name. I hope every alphabet here that we've treated so far, the families we've treated so far, is not something, it's not new again. We don't know their secrets, Jerry. There's nothing there, you understand? We've known how they came about and everything. So you grab. So now let's just, give ourselves a little kind of test up before we call it a day here, you understand? So I want to believe all of us will know how these families came about and how they end up having their name and the kind of shapes they have. So it's just like normal for you now, when you see this one, you see the chicken family, you see the chicken shape, this chicken shape like this. But if you see like just like this, you're like, oh, that one that loves to run is one that does not have, it does not really have anything, just slim and everything like that. So is what is one that is then that so it does not even have the energy to want to have dot on that on top. You understand? This one also goes to the gym. The weight is always here at his front. You understand? That's why the gym is there. But this one now, there's no weight to want to lift. You understand? So, but the reason why the last born has a dot on his head is because is what likes problem. So, it's to put problem on the head like this. Any problem is I choke my head and find trouble. You understand? That is why. So, anytime you see this and have something on its head like this, okay, this is a chicken family that like wahala up and down, and it is what's called now. So next, as I was saying, this one is chicken family. So please let us not mix these things up. You understand? Let's know each family because it's not going to be making sense now. When I see you now I see you. I'm not saying you are the second born, meanwhile you are the first born. Or I'm not saying that that is Suleiman's Suleiman's elder brother now or younger brother. Meanwhile you are the elder, and I now swapped it to making you the younger. People know that and it's what Suleiman. I know it's kind of annoying. You understand? So please let us not mix it up and let us not swap their positions so that we don't get to have any issues. Yes. So now, if we look at this place here, what alphabet is this? And what family is this? Oh, correct. You got it. That's Jim. Because why you can see the Jim here. That's good. So now the next one the next one we're looking at is what alphabet is this? You know these are why won't you know it? How won't everybody know it? How won't you know it? Eh? If you don't know it, you're supposed to be king. You understand? You see, this is one normal. Who does not know one alif? Normal alif. So this one is what is alif. I all know that. So this next one here is what we have. Okay, we have the both families. Let's look at this is the Kenu family. Oh yeah, Kenu family. Oh yeah, is this the first one or the second born or third born? Which one? Second born. Normal. When you're not blind, you see this one now. Second born. So this is second born. So now for this second born, we'll call it. What is the name again? Correct. Call it That's good. That's good. That's good. You're following. You're following. You're getting the gist of the story. You've mastered their family stories and histories. You see, it's very simple now. So it's called Ta. What about this one? Still the Kenu family. Oh yeah. Let's look at it. I don't even need to ask you. His firstborn, and it is what? Ba. Correct. Ba. So the next one we're looking at here is what? We don't even need to say it more. This one like wahala. That's why the wahala is on the head. That is ho from the what? From the chicken farm. You can even see the head there. Chicken is there already. And people that like chicken, I'm looking at you that you like to eat chicken. This is chicken family. If they find you, they get you where you are. You're in trouble. So this is ho. Ho is gone. Then the next one we're looking at is what is ha. Ha from the chicken family. You can see it has nothing. No, it doesn't like wahala. Just go to your spot, do your normal exercise, and return back home. There's no stress. So the last one we're looking at is what? The Kenu family. And this is what is it the first, second, or third born? Oh, correct. This is what? The third born, because you can see this already. We all know we are saints, so we are not blind. So this is Fa. 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 And remember, I said don't mix the sound with this one that comes like this. There's one that we'll still get to this one, and I'll tell you what family it belongs to. This one that comes like they call it Sa. Sa, S-A. So don't mix it up with what? T-H-A. Sa and Sa. So if you do that, that's wrong. So this one is Sa. Your tongue touches the upper teeth here. Sa. Correct. So, and I think with this, we've come to the end of this particular session of our class. We ask Allah to continue to make it easy. And as we all know, we have what? The one family, the Kenu family, and the chicken family. Let me do you all a favor and writing it out. So we've learned what? 7 good alphabets. 7 good alphabets from what? 3 solid families. 3F, 3 families. You understand? So with the help of Allah, we've come to the end of today's class. We ask Allah to make it easy for us and make it beneficial for us, and also accept His act of ibadah. May He purify our intention for teaching and also your intention for learning, and may He make us a source of goodness to one another في الدنيا والآخرة. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفر الله وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.